It's a 2016 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, aluminum wheels, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.